Sarina Akhtar. I study at Doikha Adorsha Degree College from Hatibandha, Lalgoriha.
I am Al Imran, student of Doikha Adorsha Degree College, Hatibandha, Lalgoriha.
Dear viewers, thank you very much for giving your time and hearing our speech. Now we are going to finish our program. But before finishing our program, let's just enjoy the song again on parts of the speech.
Every name is called a noun, as street and fountain, street and town. In place of noun, the pronoun is stand, as he and she can clap their hands. The adjective describes a thing, as magic wine or bridal ring. The verb means action, something done, to read, to write, to jump, to run. How things are done, that happen, as quickly, slowly, badly, well. The preposition shows relation, in the street or at the station. The conjunction done in many ways, sentences, words or phrase and phrase. The interjection cries out hard, I need an exclamation mark.
Dear viewers, this is the end of our program. So thank you, and thank you.
I love you.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Al Imran, student of Doikha Adorsha Degree College. স্বপ্নকে করব জয়, তাই তো মোরা করিনি ভয়ে। স্বপ্নকে করব জয়, তাই তো করি না মোরা ভয়ে। জীবন যুদ্ধে এগিয়ে চলেছি, স্বপ্ন করব পূরণ। পিবিএল স্বপ্ন সত্যির মেলা, পিবিএল স্বপ্ন সত্যির মেলা, পিবিএল স্বপ্ন সত্যির মেলা, পিবিএল স্বপ্ন সত্যির মেলা। ধন্যবাদ।
Dear viewers, before going to start our project, at first I would like to remember the founder of Bangladesh, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, and all the freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives with a view to establishing a democratic and independent country. For their sacrifice, today we are living in a peaceful country, and we can share and live a peaceful country. So we always remember them, and they will remain our heart forever. Now I would like to say something about the present situation, that means Corona situation. Dear viewers, we know that coronavirus is a global pandemic. It has stopped the whole world, and all the education institutions have been closed. Students cannot go to school, college or university. As a result, they are lagging behind. But it is a matter of joy that scientists have recently discovered the vaccine of COVID-19. So we can hope that, inshallah, we will get rid of this problem very soon, and we will get a normal world again. Now I would like to say something about our project, that means PBL learning. Dear viewers, we know that PBL learning is a teaching method in which students gain knowledge and skills by working for an extended period of time to investigate and respond to an authentic, engaging, complex question or challenges. Dear viewers, in a PBL learning, students can get the opportunity to share their feelings with their friends and get many ideas from their friends. Because in a PBL learning, students can get the opportunity to work together. As a result, they work together, so they can learn many new ideas, and they can they learn how to lead a team and how to become a leader. So PBL learning is very, very important for all the students to feel the real taste of education. Now I would like to say something about grammar. Dear viewers, we know that grammar is a very old field of study. Did you know that the sentence was first divided into subject and verb by Plato, the famous philosopher from the ancient Greece? That was about 2400 years ago. Ever since then, students all over the world have found it worthwhile to study the structure of subject and verb. Why? Because skill in speaking and writing is the hallmark of all educated people. So dear learners, in this session, let's enjoy a song on persuasive speech.
Every name is called a noun, as sweet and fountain, street and town. In place of noun, the pronoun is stand, as he and she can clap their hands. The adjective describes the thing, as magic, wonder, bright and bling. The verb means action, something done, to read, to write, to jump, to run. How things are done, the adverb tells, as quickly, slowly, badly, well. The preposition shows relation in the street or at the station. The conjunction learning many ways, sentences was fresh and fresh. The interjection cries out hard, I need an exclamation mark.
So dear viewers, have you enjoyed this song? I hope you have enjoyed it very much. Listening to music, we have learned that parts of speech is of 8 kinds, such as noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Now among the 8 kinds of parts of speech, I am going to highlight the preposition. Dear learners, we know that preposition is a word that is used before a noun phrase or a pronoun, connecting it to the another word. So there are 7 kinds of preposition in English grammar. For example,
simple preposition, double preposition,
Compound preposition, phrase preposition, participle preposition.
these all are prepositions. So dear learners, we have seen that preposition is of 7 kinds. Now, there are over 100 prepositions in English grammar, including complex and marginal prepositions. Some of them are
Above, around, about, across, after, against, along, above, at, amidst. By, before, behind, beside, between, beneath, below, beyond. As, in, plus, off, on, over, out, for, next, from. These all are prepositions.
Dear viewers, now I am going to describe preposition separately. Number 1, simple preposition. Dear viewers, this is simple preposition. Simple preposition consists of only one preposition. For example, these all are simple preposition. Dear viewers, we have learned simple preposition. Now we are going to learn double preposition. Dear viewers, this is double preposition. Double preposition consists of 2 simple preposition. For example, these all are double preposition. Dear viewers, we have learned double preposition. Now we are going to learn compound preposition. Dear viewers, this is compound preposition. Compound preposition consists of 2 or more than 2 words. For example, these all are compound preposition. Dear viewers, you have learned compound preposition. Now we are going to learn phrase preposition. Dear viewers, this is phrase preposition. Phrase preposition in a sentence, when a phrase used as a preposition is called phrase preposition. For example,
Instead of, by dint of.
these all are phrase preposition. Dear viewers, you have learned phrase preposition. Now we are going to learn participle preposition. Dear viewers, this is participle preposition. Dear viewers, participle preposition consists of a word that ends in ing. For example,
Regarding.
these all are participle preposition. Dear viewers, you have learned participle preposition. Now we are going to learn disguise preposition. Dear viewers, this is disguise preposition. In a disguise preposition, off can be changed into O and on can be changed into A. For example, dear viewers, we can see that here 4 o'clock. Here O is the example of disguise preposition. Dear viewers, we have learned disguise preposition. Now we are going to learn data's preposition. Dear viewers, this is data's preposition. Some preposition sit at the end of a sentence. As they sit at the end of a sentence, they are datas. So they are called data's preposition. For example, dear viewers, you can see that here where you are from. Here from is the example of data's preposition because from sit at the end of a sentence. So dear viewers, we have learned preposition, parts of speech and something about grammar. Now we are going to introducing ourselves. I am Mehdi Azizul Islam, student of Doika Adarsh Degree College in 12th class.
I am Mehdi Hasan Shuhar. I am a student of Doika Adarsh Degree College, 12th class.
I am Zakir Sundara, student of Doika Adarsh College, Hatibandha, Lalmuri.